So there's a little commercial building here that looks like maybe they'll put some apartments on top down this road. And then there's the road going around. There's another road going to the back. And there's a lot of protection here. It's really nice, actually. I like it. You know, these aren't huge trees. I think a lot of this will be cleared. But there might be some bigger trees that you can keep. But a lot of it are just kind of short, shrubby type things. Now, I'm not, like I said, I'm not 100% sure where the boundaries are, but, and I know it's hard to see on a video, but I am walking uphill quite a bit. I know that I probably can't see the steepness of that. Here we are walking to the top. And you're right, these are some beefy homes up here. Some houses over here, another road. This one they're working on. And this is the top end. Imagine it goes to about somewhere over here, but it's hard to say. You probably can't see. Oh yeah, there's the sign right over there. So it actually probably goes a little further. Probably to about here. So from where I just walked, yeah, there's the sign straight down there. Let me see if I can see anything from this clearing. Yeah, this is better. Oh, this, I wonder if this is, this either, oh, this could be a registro for water. A register for water. I'm not sure. But you see we're way up here, and that's down there. But here you go. I don't know, what is this? Maybe, I don't know, 20 foot difference? Not very good, sorry for measurements. But I dig it. Especially because we have heavy rains, and so, you know, you're not sitting on a flat lot. The water can move, you can route it. Maybe you can put a cistern at the bottom and collect rainwater. You have to put a pretty big cistern. But can you see these humps right here? Here's a hump, there's a hump, and you have a little bit of that inside. It's just super thick. But they have offered to clear the land, and I said, look, no, we definitely don't want to clear the land. But once it's bought and she comes and has plans, if at that point she can, if the offer still stands, she can ask you to you know, pull, you know, clear certain parts out. So again, sorry, it's very difficult to get good video in there. This is a view here from this guy's house. This is Juan Carlos. Te va a ser famoso, huh? No. He actually builds, so I got his number. Great guy. And this is the view from his property. This is the house that's right in front of your possible land, which is right over here. So you're down here. You're like all this right here. And then it goes down. So you're not going to have the view that he has. But this is cool. And there's that farm that I saw, and all that grazing land over here. And there's a couple houses dotted over here. So I guess at some point, you know, you could have neighbors here, possibly a little one on the corner, but this is moving slowly, you know. This isn't, you know, there's a big project over here, but you can't even see it from down there. But anyway, I really like this. This is a nice feel. I've got a general idea of my steps. About 17 of my steps would be about 16 meters. So here we are at the for sale sign. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay. Let's see if I can get to the sign. Yeah, it's hard to see. But yeah, if this goes up here, this is a really good amount of land. Really, like from here all the way up there, you've got so much space. Yeah, this is good. I like this. Again, sorry, it's very difficult to tell the slope, but let me walk down this way a little bit so you can see what's down here. And actually, I'll see if somebody is down here. What I'm trying to find out, I've been talked to an engineer and asked about the connection to the sewage, because I don't know if the connection is at the top or the bottom. It should be on both, but anyway, those are little details to get figured out. Here you kind of see a little bit of the slope. Can you see that? That's just kind of the same, but covered. And it's not all one angle. You've got like a little hump in yours and some irregulars, which I think is great. Irregular land is good. You can build around that. Oh, there's nobody here. Oh wait, there's music. Let me see if I can find someone. Not sure I'll be able to get in all the way here, but I can definitely get the feel for it here. Let's see if I can zoom out a bit. So right here we're pretty flat. We have a tiny little grade. This is just low-level shrubbery. Slowly goes up. You can already see we've gone up maybe just a couple feet. Let's see if I can get in here. Now, what we have here is a little berm that runs across the property right here. It's like a 3 to 4 foot climb. So we have this little berm here. This is really good for water and runoff to have this natural built-in berm. And let me see which way to go. Then we get up here and cobwebs. We have almost another little like flat area, like right in here. It's almost like a little path. Where's our sign? Well, our sign is over here, so we're actually to the left of this. This is too thick for me to really get over, but this is the edge of one of them. So it's not an incredibly steep grade. Should have brought my machete. I thought about it this morning. Oh, look at this. There's a little concrete. Yeah, ate that one. This is great. This is actually for water to run down, so you could really use that to your advantage somehow if you built this out right. I'm gonna say this is probably gonna be the end of the property here. These squares, I think. Oh, there's a hole for some kind of animal there. And this is just a nice gentle slope up to the road up there where your neighbor would be. Juan Carlos. Must be a good guy. His name's Carlos. So I really dig this because you could put two shipping containers and fly them out like this, right? So you have now room underneath. You've created space underneath the house. You've taken it off the ground. It's a little bit easier on permits. You have a space underneath with shade where you could grow food that doesn't need full sun, mushrooms, or just a place to hang out. And yeah, so I'm thinking you probably go up about to here and then down this way. So let me see. Maybe I can get out this way. I know it's very difficult to get an idea of what I'm walking here, but I'm out on the road now. Maybe a little bit higher, a little bit further than where your property would end. I just stopped here because there is this large project going up here, which turns out, let me get my helmet up. This is a real advantage because this beautifully paved entrance, which I'm going to find my way out through here, goes up this road, and the land is right here, right around the corner. So this is really nice. I came in through another from the subdivision that you see in the pictures, all the houses, but I'm going to see if I can go out this way. But anyway, it's very accessible. There's construction going on here. This is nice. I like it.